everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I want to show you how easy it is to transform a winter interest container into a spring foodscape pot. So what I have here is one of my original crescent garden containers, and this pot has it looks so good. It looks great year-round. It hasn't aged a day since I've gotten it. And behind me here, this is direct seeded barley, and it looks great. But this poor Everillo carex really could benefit from getting planted in the ground. So using my Hori, I am just going to dig out the Everillo. The Hori is this great kind of soil knife that actually cuts through soil and roots. This Everillo has been in this pot, I think, for 5 years. And it's high time that it just gets a proper permanent spot in my garden. It's honestly one of my favorite plants of all time. And it has outlived its container days. Look at that. I was able to dig kind of a perfect root ball. So now what I'm gonna do is just fill up this hole with some more Soil Cube organic compost, and I am going to fill up this area with some delicious spinach so that I'll be able to harvest it over the next 6 to 8 weeks before it gets really hot and I transform this container for summer plants. Now I'll be able to harvest an element from everything that's in this container, from the seeds of the barley to the flowers of the violas and the foliage of the spinach. It's exactly what a Foodscape container is all about. I look forward to sharing updates with all of you on all of my Foodscape containers this spring. Thanks so much for watching.